Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to remove scuff marks from your vehicle in just 2 minutes. Look at this here, someone bumped my vehicle, and look at all the scratches and bruises. It does not go away when I wipe it off. Here's what you need to do. Just get some rubbing alcohol, take a piece of cotton rag, dip it in the alcohol just like that and give it a clean rub. Look how easily does the marks go away. Look at that. Look at that. I didn't have to take it to a body shop or a paintless dent repair person. I could just do it myself in just 2 minutes. And look at these scratches out here. Look how they just clear off with just wiping it away with rubbing alcohol. And I got the bottle of the rubbing alcohol from Walmart. That's it. I did this for less than $4. It's done, and look at how the front bumper now looks. All the scratches and bruises are gone, and it looks brand new again. Look at that. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, post a comment and I will happily reply to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching.